Hello students, this is a cuboid shape. First check this. This is a cuboid shape. It is the length. It is called length. It is breadth and it called height. It is called height. It is the height. Okay. Now we have to check the surface area of a cuboid shape. Surface area of a cuboid. What is the surface area? It is also a surface area. There are 6 surfaces in a cuboid. 6 surfaces. This one opposite this one. This one opposite this one. And this one opposite this one. So 6 surfaces. So total surface area formula is 2 into LB plus LH plus BH. Total surface area called 2 into LB plus LH plus BH. Total surface area. Area of a cuboid. 2 into LB plus LH plus BH. LB plus LH plus BH. How? Check this. It is L length and it is breadth. So area of this surface is L into B. And also there is another L into B. This is. It is length and breadth. So it is its area also L into B. Now this area. Here the two, one is length and another is height. So area of this surface is L into H, and opposite also, here also length and height. So area of this surface also L into H, and area of this surface is here breadth and height present. So area of this surface is breadth into height, and also area of this surface is breadth into height also. Okay students, so area of the total surface is 2 into LB plus LH plus BH. Now see the maths exercise. See the question number 1, exercise 13.1. We need to find the area of the plastic box, area of the sheet required. So here length is 1.5 meter, breadth 1.25 meter, and height is 65 centimeter, which is 0.65 meter, because divide 65 by 100 we got the meter value. So it is 0.65 meter. It is a cuboid shape. L into B above portion, lower portion also L into B, and front portion is L into H, and backward portion is L into H also. This portion, this side portion is B into H, and this side portion is B into H also. So area of the required, since the upper portion is open, upper portion is open. First see the question carefully. So upper portion is open. So area required 1 L into B. L into B is not required to making the sheet. So area required is L into B, lower portion, front portion L into H, backward portion also L into H, this portion L B into H, and this portion also B into H, and this upper portion not required because open at one end. So area required LB plus 2 into LB, L plus B into H. It is the total area required to make the box. Now put the value of L, B and H. We got the value of, you can check the calculation. It is the calculation 5.450 meters square. Now cost for making the box. Since 20 rupees cost for 1 meter square, so total cost is this one into 20, 5.45 into 20, which is rupees 109. Now it is a rectangular hall which is a cuboid shape. Rectangular hall which is a cuboid shape, because there is length, breadth and height also. So we need to find the whitewashing of 4 walls and also whitewashing the ceiling. So area of 4 walls, it is the formula of area of 4 walls, 2 into L plus B into H. It is the formula of area of 4 walls. Just check this formula, area of 4 walls. Then put the value, because length is 5 meter, breadth is 4 meter, height is 3 meter. So 2 into L plus B, 5 plus 4 into 3. So 9, calculate 54 meter square. Area of 4 walls is 54 meter square. Now cost of whitewashing, the value is 7.50 per meter square. So total cost of whitewashing the 4 walls is 54 into 7.50. It is the answer, 405 rupees. 405 cost for whitewashing the walls. Now area of ceiling, area of floor and area of ceiling is same area, same formula. Area of ceiling is L into B, and put the value, then 5 into 4, 20 meter square. It is the area of ceiling. Now cost of whitewashing the ceiling is 20 into 7.50, because 7.50 per meter square. So 20 into 7.50, which is 150. It is the cost of whitewashing the ceiling. Now sum number 3, perimeter. Perimeter is 250 meter given, and cost of painting the 4 walls is 1500. It is also given. So area of 4 walls, we can find the area of 4 walls by dividing 10, because 10 per meter square. Question said that. Cost of 1 meter square painting is 10 per meter square. So area of 4 walls is this one divided by 10. We get 1500 meter square. It is the area of 4 walls. And we know previous theorem is area of 4 walls is 2 into L plus B into H. It is the formula of area of 4 walls. So 2 into L plus B into H is 1500 meter square. And we know that perimeter of a rectangular portion is 2 into L plus B. We know it. 2 into L plus B, it is the perimeter of a rectangular field. So perimeter 2 into L plus B into H. Now put the value of 2 into L plus B, which is 250. Now 250 into H is 1500. H is 1500 by 250, 6 meter. Therefore height is 6 meter. It is the answer.